What is Nirali's contribution towards your life?
I think stability. She is a very calm person. Nirali is one girl who came into my life. I have never raised my voice. मेरा जब झगड़ा होता है उसके साथ मेरा वॉल्यूम और भी कम हो जाता है. I fight with her like this. It becomes a whisper. Do you think this is right? And even if she goes a little bit above this, I'm like, why are you shouting? Is there anything to shout about? So she cannot go above this tone. She cannot go above this pitch. So so this is the way I fight with her. And I do not know how and why I am like this with her. मैं अपने मॉम के साथ फाइट करता हूँ तो इस लेवल पे फाइट करता हूँ. पर उसके साथ जब फाइट करता हूँ तो मैं विस्पर पे चला जाता हूँ. For some reason, she's able to command my respect. So she's never needed to demand respect. How can you talk to me like this? Just her personality was such that I always respected her. You know why I got married to her? Is because more than I loved her, I respected her.
प्यार की सबसे बड़ी बुनियाद ही ट्रस्ट रिस्पेक्ट होती है.
But वो हम कभी नहीं सोचते, you know that. Or it takes, I don't know, it took me a lot of time and a lot of people came into my life before I realized this. What is love? मतलब, you know, suddenly love का perspective ही बदल गया मेरे लिए. Because I realized कि आप बोलते हो कि आप प्यार करते हो, but you are willing to cheat on that person, you are willing to talk to that person rudely, you are willing to abuse them also. So that's not love.
प्यार करते हो तो ये सब हो नहीं पाएगा किसी भी तरह.
Yeah, exactly.
What do you think is the definition of love now as per Ruslan?
I think even now, for me, love is respect. You know, it is the most important thing. To tell somebody that you love them, and if you do not respect them or you do not give them the kind of respect that you would any normal human being, then that is not love. So for me, respect is the most important. Respect necessarily does not mean the respect that you think you deserve. It is respect that, you know, maybe you want somebody to give your mother. That much respect. You need to give everybody and even your partner. So for me, respect is more important than love.
That's wonderful. So this relationship over a period of time has grown with her?
So when I met Nirali, she's younger than me. और हम तो इतने पहले मिले थे कि वो बहुत छोटी थी. I had already started my career. And she was still in college, you know. She was 17 when I met her. तो आई थिंक उसके वजह से भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. मैं दुनिया देख रहा था. So I was older than her and I was already working. I was earning. So she always looked at me differently. For her, I was actually like this. My boyfriend is older than me, and you know he like मतलब मैं कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ तो अपनी गाड़ी में जा रहा हूँ, उसको पिकअप कर रहा हूँ. Out on a date and I had a driver. So it was a different world, right? It's a different experience. And then also I'm a hero. So wherever I go, people recognize me. So all that also matters. But eventually, once we got married, slowly and steadily, her personality started coming out. Because इतने वक्त में जो निराली है, वो मेरा influence बहुत ज़्यादा था उस पर. You know, meeting a girl who's 17 years old and being with her till like she's 30 years old and 30 plus now. You know, you can imagine what kind of an influence you can have on that person, right? Especially if she's younger than you.
Correct.
So, you know, somewhere she does not know who she really is. Because everything has been, in a way, not imposed on her, but taught to her, right?
Do you live in past more or you live in future more?
I think I live in present.
Which is so nice.
My inherent personality is to live in the present.
Okay.
पेरेंट्स ऐसे सिखाते हैं ना कि यार फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचो.
ओवरथिंकिंग इसलिए आई.
हाँ, इसीलिए आई. बिकॉज़ क्या था ना कि you know, one more thing that has happened is I do not know if it's a negative or a positive. You can maybe give me your view on it. You know, imagine your parents have enough for you and for your children also. They don't make you feel that, so that you do more by yourself, right?
So that you don't lose the drive.
So that you don't lose the drive. So they always tell you that you have less. You have less. You have less. And somewhere in that burden of thinking that I have less, I got a little unhappy. So I do not know if that is a negative or a positive. I do not know that if they told me I have enough, would I still do how much I've done, or would I do even less? I do not know that.
इसमें कोई पेरेंटिंग में कोई रूल बुक नहीं होती ना कि एक रूल बुक थमाते और इसी के रूल्स सारे के सारे. तो मुझे लगता है जो उनको सही लगा उनकी परवरिश के हिसाब से जो जिससे वो गुजरे हैं the same परवरिश they give it to you because उनको भी सिखाया गया होगा कि drive नहीं lose होनी चाहिए किसी भी हाल में. So they wanted to put that drive in you that listen, what you have is not enough. So keep pushing yourself. So wonderful. Thank you so much. Anything that you want to ask before we wrap up?
I just want to tell you that, whatever you're doing and the things you're saying, they are inspiring, and they touch me. And I thank you. I really enjoy everything that you do. I think it's really commendable. And I'm so happy कि अपने career के अलावा you remove time and you do something else also. I get inspired by people like you, like yourself, who are doing your own thing. You have your career, but you all do other things also. ये बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि इतना पैशन या इतना कह सकते हैं कि मैं लेजी हूँ. मैं जो भी करता हूँ खुद के लिए करता हूँ. मैं दूसरों के लिए कभी कुछ नहीं करता. So when I meet people or when I come across people like that, I really have great respect for them.
How nice. Thank you so much. Winning respect in Ruslan's eyes is nothing short of going to heaven, but it is so beautiful. Thank you so much. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. It was such an amazing time. And I don't know समय कितना निकल गया और कैसे निकल गया. But let's surely meet. Would be really nice.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Give my love to your family. And let's definitely meet you back again. And thank you so much once again for being here.
Thank you, Himanshu. See you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.